Guys, if you're not using Pacdora yet, then what are you doing? Just look at these incredible mockups that I created in less than 5 minutes using Pacdora. And you don't even need any design skills whatsoever. So many designs, and yes, these are a little bit kitschy and quirky, but I'm sure you can do an even better design than me. But I had so much fun playing with this. Isn't this incredible? No packaging design experience needed whatsoever. Just look at this little cute box that you can fold. So what is Pacdora, my friends? Pacdora is this really cool browser-based tool that rhymed that lets you create mockups in seconds. And you can use from a whole bunch of existing templates. And what's even really cooler is that it creates Dieline templates. What's a Dieline? Just a cool word for technical drawing with the measurements and all the information that printers will need for packaging. So you can create a mock-up and actually send it to printers and create real-life packaging. So there's so much you can do with this. So if you look at the mock-up generator, you have a whole bunch of templates. Now, if you don't have Pacdora yet, then check out the link in the description. If you use my promo code KATE20, you'll get 20% off and you'll be helping my business with a small affiliate commission. So I thank you a lot in advance. So yes, look at all these mockups, almost 6,000 mockups where you can choose t-shirts and boxes and packaging, food packaging, pouches, cans, jars, tubes, t-shirts, devices, and so much more. Need I say more? You can type t-shirt or whatever mockup you need. And then you have actual technical templates for each of these. If you go to Mockup and let's say you would like to design a box, and go ahead and click on that. And in seconds, it's building your model. And then you can click on upload and start designing this. Incredible. You can start adding logos. Isn't that cool? Can you see how in real time it's being uploaded? You can add prints even and resize it very easily and crop it. And this is my favorite part. It's all being edited in real time. Super cool. Can pop this over here. And wow, so cool. Pop it over here. And yes, it's not the best design in the world, but here it is. Super easy. You can go to elements and add all sorts of shapes, packaging symbols, which makes it a lot easier. We need those recycling icons, don't we? Obviously, resize it. You can add social media icons and one of my favorite, text combinations. If you're not very design savvy, you can add this. For instance, it's just a little template and adjust it. And you can click and drag and shift this around like a real box. Super cool. You can even change the color, packaging color. Yikes. And it changes the color in real time. Let's say I would like to change just one singular section. Click on it and change the color. So I'm super excited for you to have a play with this. So get on it and then click on save. And I'll be showing you the exporting section as well, which is super cool. Now just have a look at all the designs I created by going to Workspace. And you can see just how much fun I've been having creating stuff. With the quirky little logo, I created a graphic design software box, which is pretty cool, and it's 3D. And another pouch. Which is super cute, and you can super export this into Dielines, which is a technical drawings, or the actual mock-up pictures. My favorite, the videos. Just absolutely incredible, isn't it? So what are you waiting for? Get your own Pacdora license. I just wish I had this way before, because there's just endless opportunities for my own business and to help other people's businesses to use this software. So as always, it's a pleasure talking to you. I'm Kate Silver, and see you soon.